Welcome to a timeless experience at Waldorf Astoria Residences, located in Business Bay, where unparalleled living meets luxury. Each home is a private sanctuary designed for those who want the ultimate luxury. Standing here in your own private entrance, where nobody can access the floor but you and your dedicated guests. Let's explore the living room spaces and explore luxury together. To curated interiors that reflect modern elegance, Waldorf Astoria promises you a luxury experience that you've never seen before in the heart of Dubai. Starting from 2-bedroom units up until a sky mansion, choose the way of life you'd like to live at Waldorf Astoria. From expansive residences with breathtakingly skyline views. Step into your master bedroom with herringbone parquet floorings and customizable walls available upon request. Living in a luxury apartment at Waldorf Astoria means that you have added benefits of customization. Here we have the faucet in the master bedroom that is eye of the tiger, but it could be customized to your liking with an array of selection. Explore the world of wonders in your own kitchen. Hidden amenities for beautiful minimalism. Facilitated with 16 amenities including a pool, private concierge 24/7, private lift entrance, dedicated hot and cold plunges, golf simulator, amongst many others, this luxury property can be yours. Designed by Carlos Ott, the same designer as the Burj Al Arab, here you can find his sketches for the Waldorf Astoria residences. Starting from 7.3 million for 2-bedroom plus maid apartments, this property can be yours.